FAST, stock analysis for next week, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, so I'm covering all that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Fastenal company, it's already 1.8% down. Honestly, all I'm looking to do is buy. Like, people are gonna come here and overcomplicate stuff, man. Like, yo, for me it's just, how can I get involved on the right side of the screen, which in this case the long side, right? Again, that's just my sense on this, but unless I see the price actually pulling in all seriousness down a little bit and then showing me that shift, but trust me, I'm not gonna look to buy, you know, trust me. So we'll continue to keep you updated if there's no confirmation that I'm not looking to take things for the higher. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And probably I have some other receipts here. Yeah, I do. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.